Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'd like to go through the benefits and reasons why you might want to upgrade your home lighting if you haven't done so already to LED lighting. Especially considering the recent increases in energy prices, now has never been a better time to upgrade. Here you can see some of the examples in my home where I have upgraded my lighting to LED, and that stands for light emitting diode. So let's briefly just talk about light bulbs. So the ones that I'm talking about here are LED. Now I've been using LED lights in my home for years, but this year I've upgraded again to reduce the power consumption even more, and the ones that I've bought this time round are 1.8 watts each. So this is a bayonet fitting which goes in many of my main lights, and it's 1.8 watts. This is a G27 type bulb, and this is also 1.8 watts. So the LEDs I had previously were about 3 to 4, some of them even 5 watts. So I've halved it yet again, and with the energy bills practically doubling or more, this can be seen as a good investment. So the older bulbs, just for comparison, the really old type bulbs, these are filament bulbs, these are kind of obsolete now. I mean, this one alone is 40 watts. And you might think that you get more light. Well, these days, I was pleasantly surprised. This 1.8 watt bulb is surprisingly bright. I used to use low energy bulbs in the past and they were quite dull, but the technology's come a long way. And this 1.8 watt bulb is pretty good. I've got one in my landing, one in my bathroom, one in my bedroom, and they're not too bad at all. And then you've got these kind of gas-filled lights, and these also are kind of obsolete, I would say now. I suppose they still have their uses, but again, they use a lot more energy. This one is 20 watts, as is this one. This one is 18 watts. A few years ago, this might not have been so much of a problem, but now you can see if you've got this one that's 20 watts and this is 1.8 watts, it's a huge difference. And in terms of light, the LED light is instant, and these take a little bit of time to get going. So these are definitely, I think, a good choice to upgrade to. Any very low wattage LED bulbs are good for low energy consumption. So that is about it for this video. If you found the video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.